In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge and split cells in Excel. We'll walk through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can quickly organize your spreadsheet and format it exactly how you want. Merging cells is useful when you want a title or heading to span across multiple columns. And unmerging or splitting them again helps you return those cells to their original layout when needed. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to merge and split cells. Make sure you're in the correct worksheet before you start, especially if your workbook contains multiple tabs. This will help you avoid making formatting changes in the wrong place. First, let's look at how to merge cells. Start by selecting the adjacent cells you want to combine. These need to be next to each other for the merge options to work properly. Once your cells are selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the Alignment group, find the Merge and Center button, then click the drop-down arrow next to it. This opens a small menu with a few different merge options, and each one works a little differently. If you choose Merge and Center, Excel will combine the selected cells into one larger cell and center the content inside it. This is a common choice for spreadsheet titles or section headers. If you choose Merge Across, Excel will merge cells across each selected row, rather than turning the entire selection into one single cell. This can be helpful when you're working with multiple rows of headings. If you choose Merge Cells, Excel will merge the selected cells without centering the content. This is a good option if you want to keep the text aligned the way it already is. As soon as you click the option you want, Excel will apply it immediately. So it's a good idea to make sure you've selected the right cells before choosing from the menu. Now let's go over how to split or unmerge cells. Select the merged cell that you want to separate. Then go back to the Home tab, click the Merge and Center drop-down arrow again, and choose Unmerge Cells. As soon as you select it, the cells will immediately be split back into individual cells. One thing to keep in mind is that after unmerging, the content remains in the upper left cell, while the other cells will be blank. That's normal behavior in Excel and helpful to remember when adjusting your layout. And that's it. That's how to merge and split cells in Excel.